Welcome back, everybody. Today we are making a super delicious strawberries and cream martini. To start this cocktail, we are going to use a full ounce of strawberry syrup or puree. Two full ounces of Bailey's strawberries and cream. And then 2 full ounces of vanilla vodka.
That's it.
That's it. Oh, I dribbled. Please hold. I'm making a mess. I know that's pretty typical. Okay. We have all of our ingredients in our shaker tin. Give me that. So we are going to fill with ice. And we're going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds. This one does tend to get a little bit on the thicker side because obviously there's not a whole lot of ingredients. So I definitely recommend shaking a little longer with this one. Long shake. Ugh. Now I can't get it open. Okay. Allergies, man. Allergies. Okay. So we did not use any fresh juice, so you don't need your mesh strainer. You just want to use your Hawthorne strainer for this one. And then we go right in to our coupe glass. Plop, plop, plop. All right. Then to finish it off, we have a fresh strawberry garnish. And just set it right on the side there. Ah, so beautiful. There we have our strawberries and cream martini. Like always, I'm going to rate 5 being the best, 1 being the least best. Gonna give it a taste. Oddly enough, I smell a buttload of strawberry. Oh yeah, strawberries and cream to a T. Definitely still a little bit more, like it is definitely a thicker cocktail, but not necessarily like in a bad way. Like I could still drink a lot of this. Strawberries, cream, it is. It's strawberries and cream in a freaking glass. Like there's just no other way for me to describe it. It's delicious. Definitely on the sweeter side, of course. So if you don't like sweet, maybe not your cocktail. But let me know what your rating is. Make sure you make the cocktail. Ingredients are listed below. And then tell me what you think.
What's your rating?
Oh, that's right. I forgot my rating. Oh, I totally forgot. Wow. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. I am going to go with a 4.5 just because it is very, very good, but because of the texture, like it's thick, right? Maybe if I shook it even longer, but that was a really long shake, y'all. My arm hurts. So maybe if we shook a little longer and it helped liquefy it a little bit more, maybe, but it's definitely on the thicker side, so it will be a little bit harder for people to drink. So I'm going to go 4.5 out of 5. Anywho's, now make sure you make the cocktail. Let me know what your rating is, and then I hope to see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.